This tutorial guides you through how to effortlessly create an expert AI prompt in seconds with Prompeteer, so you can consistently unlock A-level answers from AI. The best part? No technical expertise is needed. Let's get started. First, click on Create in the nav bar. This will take you to the input box. Type your AI request using clear, simple, straightforward language. For optimal results, include the following elements in your input: who you are, your request, the audience, and the desired output format. Next, click the optional Enhance Input button. Prompeteer will instantly add greater context to your input for better prompt results. You can enhance your input up to 3 times. You can edit your input after it's been enhanced or hit undo to go back to your original input. Click Generate Prompt to create your expert-level prompt. You will be automatically directed to Prompt Drive, your AI prompt mission control. All your prompts are stored in a single central library. You can edit, search for, categorize them into folders, share them with colleagues or friends, and deploy them in your preferred AI tool. Click on your prompt tile to open the full prompt page. In the middle of the page, you will see your Prompeteer prompt. You can scroll through the entire prompt in the prompt box and edit it if you choose by clicking on the Edit pen. In the Run-In section, there are shortcuts to leading AI tools. You can click on any of these, or if you want to use a different AI platform, copy the prompt and directly paste it into any AI tool of choice. For this example, we are going to click on ChatGPT to be taken directly there. Click the input area on ChatGPT. Prompeteer automatically copies your prompt for you. All you need to do is press Ctrl-V to paste the Prompeteer prompt into the input box. Click the upwards arrow button to run your Prompeteer prompt in ChatGPT. Watch ChatGPT deliver AI-level output from your AI platform of choice. See the difference Prompeteer makes. Congratulations! You are on your way to unlocking AI's full potential with expert-level prompts from Prompeteer.